In this video, I will show you how to use the Find My Remote feature on your Skyworth Smart TV. Over here, I have the Skyworth Google TV, but whether you have the Skyworth Android TV, this video is still going to guide you on how to activate the Find My Remote feature on any Skyworth Smart TV you have. So if you misplace your Skyworth remote control, what you want to do is to head over to the bottom of the TV, just below the Skyworth logo over here on your Skyworth Smart TV, and just at the bottom you're going to see the power button, which is also the menu button of the TV. Go ahead and tap on it once and you're going to see this menu over here on your Skyworth Smart TV. You can literally see the Find My Remote option over here. To navigate through this option, you just want to go ahead and continuously tap on that particular button to navigate, and to select any of this option, you just want to go ahead and long press on that particular option. So for the Find My Remote, you just want to go ahead and long press on it, and automatically the Find My Remote feature will be activated. Now you can literally see this is my Skyworth Smart TV remote control, and it is currently making noise, enabling me to be able to find it from wherever it is. Now once I press on the remote control, the sound automatically turns off. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.